Hi guys, I'm your host Blake and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Starlink. This is the RV model. It looks like they have kind of just two models. One is a 20 by 11 inch or so, and the other one is a 20 by 20 inch dish. And they also offer, so basically when you go onto the website you can select residential, which is going to have those two options, and then commercial, which basically only has that bigger option, and then this is the RV, which looks like it's the smaller option. So I haven't opened it yet, so here we go. Packaging looks like an aluminum base, nice and painted. Standard ice paint, and then this is going to be the dish. So that is the 11 by 20. Some directions. Cabling. A router. Power supply. And more directions to the router. I think that's it.